Om Shanti. Today's Murli. Date 16 June 2021. Essence. Sweet children, you have the limitless treasure of the imperishable jewels of knowledge. Donate them. No one should go away from your door empty handed. Question. What Srimad does the Father, who is the screen of all relationships, give his children? Answer. Sweet children, remove your intellect's yoga from everyone else and continue to remember me alone. Nothing of this world, no friends or relatives, should be remembered, because everything at this time causes sorrow. In order to become a master of the world, you definitely have to make effort to settle your karmic accounts of 63 births. Forget everything and become bodiless, for only then will your accounts be settled. I am the screen of all relationships. Main points from Murli. Point number 1. Baba says, you belong to Shiv Baba through this one, because Shiv Baba meets you through him, Brahma. This one is called the agent in between. You don't have any connection with the agent. He is the one in between through whom you go to that one. Point 2. You only receive sorrow from all the rest of your relatives. That one is the screen from whom you receive the sweetness of all relationships. Point 3. The bestower of salvation for all is only the one. He is our everything. Sorrow is received even from a physical father. However, a teacher doesn't cause anyone sorrow. Point 4. The Father is called the bestower of liberation and salvation, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul. The intellect goes upwards. Point 5. Baba is playing the drums of knowledge in front of you. He is giving you knowledge. He is now transforming your features and your character. Essence for Dharana. Point 1. Imbibe the limitless treasure of knowledge that the Father is giving you, and make yourself wealthy. Also, donate them to everyone. Fill the aprons of whoever comes to you. Point 2. Only by having remembrance of the Father will there be benefit. Therefore, whilst walking and moving around, stay in remembrance of the Father as much as possible. Experience the sweetness of all relationships with just the one Father. Blessing. May you do tapasya while keeping the knowledge of the whole tree in your awareness as a true tapasvi and server. Explanation. On the path of devotion, they show a tapasvi sitting under a tree doing tapasya. There is significance in this too. The residence of you children is in the roots of the kalpa tree of the world. By sitting beneath the tree, you automatically have the knowledge of the whole tree in your intellects. So, keep the knowledge of the whole tree in your awareness and see the tree as a detached observer. By doing this, you will have intoxication and happiness, and your battery will also be charged. Then, when you do service, you will also do tapasya at the same time. Slogan: illness of the body is not a big thing, but never let your mind become ill. I repeat, illness of the body is not a big thing, but never let your mind become ill. Om Shanti.